My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name na Osaze Omogiate. Na me, na the anchor to this program. And I could join on day now, sake of say the security matter when they happen for area now. In the come out, one go see how you take gather the story so that when it come next time, we'll come nakuna the story be. Make a fair give una the information when it concerns security for today. The number where you're this screen so that the one way concern police. If you hold your barrel there, make you write them down. Then this other one when it come so when it just this screen so now the one way concern NDLEA. NDLEA now people will be say then too. Then they concerning drug. And if you be say your area, then the people will not sake of say now the year say people they smoke marijuana or they sell illicit drug for that area. And I will call this number. If you call this number, before you know, the operations people don't deal with you now immediately. Then this other one, now civil defense call number. Civil defense call now people will be say them too they act like police. If you see say you don't feel quick reach police or you they call police control room, you not go, you will call this number. When you call this number, before you know, they don't need the kia utuna. Then this other one, now the one we concern fire service. All of us know say fire, no time will not till they come. If you be say it don't happen and you don't try your best, you don't feel conscious, you will call this fire service number. When you call them kia, anywhere you there, they will come meet you. They will use that their big motor, come to pump that their chemical where they take the quench the fire. My people, to quickly round up this small security info segment, this number when you're there, so all of us know say coronavirus. You see the men who around the corner. But you know the center stage again. Before when it center stage, everybody they say, you don't enter this thing just the center and wahala, everybody begin to run around. But now they don't use one leg kick and put for corner. But he never come up for stage, in the stage, in the corner for stage. And that corner when he did so, you see they do small road there. Until we hear say very soon, some people will get the medicine. When you go hukuma, you remove them for stage, kwata. We go to wait till that time. But till that time, my people, make una see this number with the screen. So in case anybody the feels or can symptom will relate to like that, immediately you will call these numbers. They will come use ambulance carry the person. Go for treatment. And what will they hear be say, if you quit attend to that coronavirus matter, it no will kill. But if you leave out, say you they hide yourself, sake of say now you wise pass or now you cunning pass, no worry. When the thing don't begin to do damage at the time when you go take crack come out, it go don't pass, be careful. So my people, when anything like that they happen, make sure say una call this number for immediate response. Quick, for this episode today, we can begin to say those days that they get what they call town hall meeting. And from that town hall meeting, some that they get enogie. From enogie, you will begin to see the audience ways. Then from the audience ways of quarter or area, and then you will still see audience way of street. Then from there, now you will begin to see landlord, when he be the lord of the house. Then from there, you will begin to see tenant, when he can rent 1 room, 2 rooms, flat, or what have you. Now, we can observe, for as you can say, people they cry today say security. What did they happen? Why be say bad things they happen and we don't know how we will take cover? Now we can't carry our lens, can't enter street. Because we can't discover say the ways of kind of domestic crime they take place. It can't be like say before person know the thing don't happen. And as it happen, before you know, breaking an entry, before you know they don't come hammer person for house, kill and throw away for there. Before you know, now there you will see gunmen from nowhere. They don't enter, thief come out. Now we can't really carry our camera lens. Say, okay, make we enter street, make we find out how this matter will be. Because before, we know say this community relationship, when we say every landlord, then they meet for weekend. Then once in a month, everybody when in the area will come meet with Odionwe. Everybody will talk their mind. They will even talk as they will take repair the area. Now there you will see when they see some kind work, community effort work, what Igbo they call social service. Now when we say people they volunteer they do. But before we they do this kind of thing before, sake of say cooperation, oneness, a day. For area, if you enter area, person will know if you know that area before. As you enter, they will know say you be new person. And as you enter, so they go they smell your leg up and down. They want to know the house where you for come out. But nowadays, it not be like that. But those days, as you come, even if now 6, you take enter house, you go quick you reach somewhere. Say, I dey call my children, I want to touch so place. As you dey waka, now so they do small surveillance. Now so you will see young men, some day this corner that they discuss, another set the day. As you dey go, now so they look their faces. Now people when they see for town hall meeting. Now people when they see for area. But nowadays, you will see full strange person for area. You don't know where they for come, you don't know how they take the waka. You yourself go dey wonder. At every moment, people when they see for your area now strange faces. But they say now modernity, development don't they come. So we know if they know everybody finish. I will come enter town, begin to take small interview as it take concern this community security matter. So my people, make una listen to what the people talk. So when we come back, we will summarize the whole thing.
The issue is that landlord of nowadays na money now they need. They know they say make they know for where the tenants dey. Some of them they'll go carry some tenant to come the house. They know they investigate, know the type of work when they work, or rather go to that working place, make they go check whether see work when they work. So that is why crime full everywhere. Even if say if somebody rent house now, you go to say maybe na the person one day the house, you know say na kidnapper people na the day there. But suppose say the landlord they go to the person place of work, all this crime for not they happen. Like me when I want rent my house, the landlord condo my own place of work. He can't investigate about me, he can't they check time to time whether really na me get there. So and if landlord they do all those kind of things now, the crime go reduce. Crime no go today because why? Because the landlord they investigate all waiting tenant they do for their own time. That meeting when they do now, you know, na new area now they do that meeting now. For this developed area, they know they do it again. They know they do it again. Because when me dey my house for medical, no time my landlord, no time when I hear say that they do landlord meeting because this one say he not get chance, this one say he not get chance. But the most important thing for inside say anybody when you want give your house, make sure say you know for where for the work. Because if they want call meeting that time, now only landlord they call, they know they call tenants. So just that the landlord need to know for where all the tenant for where they for the work, so that make crime not today. But we know say the country no fit live without crime, but at least it go reduce a little. That time that they see what they call continuity. The thing when it be said that they do regular, but now nobody they get that kind of time. When you say they need all the whole ten, everybody can't they be, and which is not supposed to be so. So now make that something now enough if they exist. When we say audio tenants, they want see all the whole tenants, you know they exist. Now that time now they happen, but now I know they happen. If the mean now it go work, but on one condition wey go take work say as you take dey do am before when dem say environmental dey make anybody no go out till police go full road say from 6 to 10 suppose say environmental dey na sanitation dey dey once in a month. I believe say that one will go a long way to make sure say the opportunity don say okay make all the old ten ants come outside make dem hold small meeting na that one go fit work but now e no go fit work.
I understand what you talk. Now you dey look at the constraints
yes.
wey no go make am work. No be say you no talk say e no be good idea.
Na good idea but you no fit go block the whole street na say make everybody no comot for house but if government implement am say every month there must be a sanitation that thing go make am work then the landlord go say in as far say dem wan do dem wan environmental day wey be say be the last Saturday of the month so all the whole landlords for the whole street go come hold meeting say okay dem wan see all the whole ten ants for that whole meeting and that one go fit work without that one so say na only government we dey fear na when government put law na we dey fear so if without government no put law e no go fit work. Make the ojoye of the street dey hold meeting every week with all the whole ten ants the ojo wey go call the landlords so landlord now go tell all the ten ants say every Saturday early morning make dem hold meeting so na enable them to know who new come to the area so that in case anything dey happen they'll know how to take fight am. And secondly the government itself need to play a big role in the area of security. Only police no fit do everything. Police need our assistance and if we go there na they dey demand for money and which is no so and government need to support the police with a good vehicle because e get some area now when e be say e no good if they say they dey thief for that area na before police no fit trek from their own this is say the one they call area and if you really go for police there is no good car there. There's no single good healers there and which is not supposed to be so. Our politicians they drive good cars of 36 million wetin stop the government to buy motor each division supposed to get one healers. Even if say the government cannot afford new one at least they can afford benjo. You see politicians they drive motor of 36 million naira 48 million naira. Police don't get motor of 10 million and I want to fight the security so government supposed to assist.
Like those days when area to area they'll get say they call town meeting. They will talk how the area will take move forward. But now, you know they see again. Even the John way itself, we not gonna know John way they can't do. Understand? So for me, me for like make that town meeting where they hold, make it see they come up. So that everybody will feel the talk with the pain for mind for area. Like some way be say landlord, waiting we call the see. Some landlord now just to increase house rent. That be the meeting where they hold. You know the whole meeting to make the area they make progress there for the area. You understand? So for me for like make that town hall meeting make it go on so that we fit know the good one and the bad one for the area.
How do I want to affect security?
Town meeting na for us to know ourselves, like the people wey get house for the area, and for them to know theirself. They go still come the town meeting, come talk wetin dey pain them. If be say their ten ant dey offend them, or some ten ant dey be say their head not there, or say nothing dey happen. For that town meeting, they go fit talk and fit talk as e be. If na to call the ten ant before they even resort to police matter, na to call the ten ant to see wetin our co-landlord come tell us. So this kind of thing we no want am for this area, we no want am. So the ten ant sef go know say yes, no be say the landlord, no be only the landlord stand, the landlord himself for the area dey stand with am. You understand? Maybe reason of say they know theirself as landlord. They'll see they carry the people wey come say rent their apartment, rent their house along. You understand? So we fit dey know the good ones and the bad ones.
Okay, now like for your area now, you know everybody wey dey your street.
Yes, I know, because
Everybody, both the tenant and all.
The tenants and the whole this landlord. Why I know them, because na so they take bring me up, and I still follow that culture. And the area when I dey to, everybody must know me. If I pass you, I greet you. Whether you small, whether you big, from there too you go know me.
So what you dey talk now? You say make they bring that.
Very good.
May they bring that style back, or you dey feel say time not there again? Like somebody when we interview, you say time not there again.
Time dey.
Say people no dey get time again.
No, time dey. No, that one no be excuse at all. Time dey. Why time not dey? So no be when things happen, then go dey call people. We will go town hall, rub our mind together. Na him. So even in some villages now, you see say even in area, youth no dey respect elders again. Na right from our home, maybe they teach our these children. Every community build town hall so that then go dey do meeting there. It's very necessary. Now there, then go dey decide wetin they want to do. So it's very necessary. E good make audience wey dey know the area. And if this town hall meeting dey now, it's very easy. Audience wey go make announcement say, I wan see people for town hall. Everybody go pack go there, so that you go know the people wey dey your area. And everybody go know the people wey dey in your area. Then everybody wey no know audience wey before go know am. Na through this town hall meeting. So e good make dem bring town hall meeting back. Because everybody dey do their own now. When chief dey area, you no go know who is who. So na that town hall meeting, everybody audience wey go talk and say anybody wey dey your area or wey dey your house wey you no know. So let people know. Those days we dey open our door now, dey go out, no fear. Because town hall meeting dey, we dey know everybody wey dey this area. If new person enter area, we dey know. So make dem bring town hall meeting. You go see some area now, dem go catch thief before 3 months time. The thief go reappear again, which is very bad because of high connection. When they say they get, they'll go see police. It dey happen. That one not be new thing, but before not be so. The government should encourage it. It's a very good something, and it go still help security for area.
So many youth finish school for years and they don't get what they have. So also they also to get what they eat. So when they try their best, they fix all the many people who they get our daily bread. That is my advice to the government. Security, because if most of these youth when don't finish school now, when they are don't get work, so most of them when don't finish school, they spend money to finish school, so they don't come get money. So the Bible say idle man is the devil workshop. So when they can't get what they do, they're not going to get that mad of stealing or robbing, and that is how I take concern security, because if there will be no stealing, no robbers, there will be no security. So if there be armed robber here and there, that will, when we see security, that is concern the security. when we see armed robber.
In those days, 90 is better pass nowadays, and because of that United this thing, not like that again. So, now be the thing. Even though person not there, as people dey there, when you go to look the area, with that one, we will make them fear not to come there. Even though they come there, they will know how they will catch them because of those people wey dey around. That meeting, if they exist, that kind of thing will happen. So now wait and see for that one.
The way the community issue be that time, we all like them. The way it can't go at the time, we are not happy about it because of so many damages, so many things where they happen for community. We cannot get any person who's responsible for that effect. Why at the talk show they say, you can see now, anybody can just bounce into community. You say they say don't keep person for here, you don't keep this one. And so one person come, follow back here, they keep person. Before, when we get community, when we get town hall, you know, if something happen for here, we will go meet the chairman, the John Wiri, we will go meet and say, if something happen for here, we will take illegal actions immediately. Then now, if you go meet your John Wiri, John Wiri will say, mortal, not me talk him. Because of say, he dey fear, he don't want me to come kill him. You know, okay, see the other one now. People from other countries go enter our neighbor, our community, do whatever they want to do and go, kidnap and go, because there is no security. You see, that's why we beg the government and we pray make if it do more to assist the people of Edo State. Because if there is no security, the people of Edo State doesn't have security. Everybody is scared, even on that day. When they say, hey, now so this one, nobody go want come out. If you hear boy there, nobody go come out. So I know they also they blame the John way. Say, they're not the top put. Now the threat and whatever the way that they see for meeting. But I personally would like that town hall to come back so that we can move the state forward. So that everything go well. Any town hall where they see now it's about community, now how they want to sell land, how they want to do whatever they want to do. Now that one be the town hall where me they see now, where me they see for Benin. But now we need this thing. You know, if government can able to even do any day of facilitation, say everybody stay at home. Say if that day reach, we do our environmental 1 hour of our time. Until we can call the meeting. On that same day, I call the meeting to say, my brother, this way when they have for this our community. See how it be, I don't like it like this, everybody go bring your suggestion. From there, we are getting a headway. But in a situation whereby there is no meeting on the town hall, what we are discussing there is about land, about property, about how you kill somebody. The state is not moving forward. All these are the areas whereby we need the Ojon ways, we need the youth, we need the Okagilis to put hands together, we work together before we fight the government for the security. When I small that time, and they see when they do the town hall meeting, even to an extent say, if we do bad, the bad we say maybe we use those days we use catapult shoot person for nyash, or we go beat person we fight. They will carry us come community town hall. They go stress us for community. They flog us. That time we go to fear to come out. But now because of some other calamities where they happen for the community, we know they will let us talk again. So that make me the talk say, my brother, if we will be the youth who hands together for that community. Say, now this thing, now we want to do, we go get a headway. If you there your community, you get Ojonwe, you get youth, you get Kaigelu, you get all of them. If we see they hold this our meeting, we go fit carry our community to the next level. Before, we know they do civil defense. We dey do civil defense for street. Like the one when I did how many years for my community. And they come out as at that time. It dey be my own turn. Maybe na Wednesday, now they come out to the set of people like this, and they come out on Wednesday. Another set of people, they come out on Thursday. I know people where they my set that time, where all of us they come out for streets. So thief, not the free come. All those things come bust up, it know they happen because we there for streets. We go here say we go knock for this side, the other person go respond for the other side. You know, but my brother, fear not they let anybody come out again. Because you come out, now die. Because no security. If government, they say we leave everything for government, it go they have because government to say they go other areas. In our wahala, now we go to report to government say, see where the thing for it happen, one account this side, government go come. But as the thing say, we know they hold the same meeting for our community. We know the plan say this na how we want to move the community to the next level. Our government go to know wetin dey happen. E just be like say you dey Ekpoma now, you dey for inside one village for Ekpoma. Then you say you dey shout for inside the bush there. Government no go hear. But now when you do this community issue, relate am to Enoge. The Enoge will now call government to say, my brother, this matter, we not like am as e be like this, so help us. From there, you go see say government go dey respond.
Be like something say they fall, they say many boys were there for community, all of them they run the go city. They run the go city. So you hardly see youth for village where they attend all those kind of town hall meeting. So that is why you see that town hall meeting is not functioning the way it's supposed to be. But I know like in those days, once they blow trumpet, you will see everybody gather. But these days, if you blow, for them we will call for meeting now, very few people you see, and those people are elderly. But we have a very formidable vigilante group we are organizing today. It's still in full force. The energy opinion is fully aware of it. Even the area commander over his zone is fully aware of our activities. Everybody in my area, not even my street alone, I know them very well because one, I'm the PRO of the community of that environment, and I'm also a member of the committee in charge of the welfare of the vigilante. Yesterday, somebody came to summon neighbors, tenant to my zone. So I'm referring the matter now to the central body.
Okay, so how not they treat on a security matter?
The way we treat our security matter, we say our vigilante by 10 o'clock, that's when we normally start, and close by 5. They ring bell, go all around,
10 when?
10 p.m. and close 5 a.m. the following day.
So in our area now,
very
based
peaceful.
on our activeness.
Very peaceful.
No thief.
No. You sleep with
We will see strange people now go know.
Before uncle, because the boys we are using are the same boys from the community, so they know those who lives with us. They know those who live with us, because if they see anybody in the night, maybe as a result of a work program, they will intercept the person, interview him. If the person is free, the person is left. What I'm saying to the public is that let the John way of each area be proactive in their zone, so that this problem of bad boys will be totally limited, not eradicated, because you cannot eradicate crime, but at least let there be minimum level. Because like in my area, like as I say, I don't hear anything say thief, because our boys are proactive in that regards.
My people, sure I don't hear. When I don't see where even young men, when you be say, they don't taste small the time when this harmony, day before. Sake of say, landlord A and landlord C or landlord Z, they don't feel see each other make they pass. Somebody even talk am, say some landlord, that they even go as far to know where you dey work. And if you tell them, they will go there, go ask of you to find out whether na true they talk. And if that kind surveillance dey on a local level, na small na police go dey do. And some of the respondents, they come still talk say make government try, make they try. If na every division, if na one shadow healers, make they give police, so that police go fit dey use am enter all those small kurukere area when e be say e no too clear. When you call police, motor no go dey to go. And the distance, maybe now where fast more, you expect me to do joggy reach there? No. Our government, I beg, we dey beg una, make una support our police well. More na kit them up the way it's supposed be. So, my people, now here we will for tanda the tori for today. My name na Osaze Omogiate. Next week, when Akodeja go dey around, we go knack una more tori as Izigan till they happen. My people, una bye bye yo.